I'm so happy you stopped by my channel today. I was hoping to go live, however, my dogs would not stop barking, and I was just afraid they would be barking through the whole entire live feed. So I decided to just do a super quick video because today is the day that I'm picking the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card. I'm so excited because during this giveaway, I actually hit my 1,000 subscriber mark. Yay! I was so happy, and thank you all so very much because without you, I never ever would have got here. So I'm so thankful. I love you all, and thank you so much for helping me reach my 1,000 subscriber goal. To participate in this drawing, all you needed to do was to be a subscriber and then just leave me a little message below in the video. And I went ahead and printed out everyone's name, and I put it in this Mad Hatter hat that I have. Everyone is inside. Now this is a shameless plug. If you haven't watched my Mad Hatter tablescape, I'm going to actually leave it in the card above. You just click on that and you can head on over and check that out. This is one of the props that I used. And so I thought it would be fitting to put everyone's name inside. So I'm just going to, this is so exciting. Good luck, everyone. Okay. I don't know if you can see who it is. I'm going to look. Alyssa Rego or Rego. Congratulations, you are the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card. I'm so happy for you, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to contact you on your YouTube channel. If you don't hear from me within a few hours of this video, make sure that you leave me a little message below so that we can connect. Now, just in case Alyssa and I are not able to connect, what I'm going to do is I have an envelope that says runner-up. I'm going to pick one other name in here. I'm not going to look at who it is. I have it right here. I'm just going to put it in the envelope. I'm going to seal it up, and then I'm going to leave it. Now, if I don't hear from Alyssa within 7 days, or there's no way we can connect, or something goes wrong, I'm going to try to contact whoever is in this envelope as the runner-up. So I just wanted to say thank you again to all my subscribers. Congratulations to Alyssa, and I hope to see you all soon. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.